She sells seashells by the seashores.
Isa pa.
She sells seashells by the seashore.
Kung hindi mo siya binabasa yung sa ulado mo na.
Yeah. She sells seashells by the seashore.
Mhm.
Seashells. Seashell. Okay. Seashells by the seashore.
Sige na, kuha ka na. Talaga naman.
Tama
Kuha ka na, kuha ka na.
Natawa.
Oh.
Natawa sa ginawa.